So guys, let's begin the tutorial without wasting the time. So here what you are seeing in my hand is the metallic shiner dip, and the color I am using here is gold. It is up to you guys which color you want to use, and please do check the link I am sharing you in the description box from where you can find this shiner dip in the market. It is quite difficult to find it on online shopping sites. And guys, here I'm showing you the other option. If you do not find that metallic shiner dip in the market, then you can use the acrylic metallic paint also. I hope that you have seen my videos also, which I have created using this paint. And the another super easy option is metallic spray paint, which is super easy to find in the market. Now what you need candles. So here I am showing you on different varieties of candles, that how you can use the metallic paint on different styles and varieties of candle. So whatever candle you have, or you want to create any particular design, any particular candle, you can create that candle and make it a metallic candle using the metallic shiner dip. And now guys, what we need is a vessel or a container in which we have to pour our liquid shiner dip, and in that shiner dip we are going to dip our candle. So definitely we need a vessel for that, and you need a tray. Why we need a tray? We need a tray because when we dip the candle into the dip, then we have to put it somewhere, and it is always better to do less messy work. But I do create a lot of mess, guys. Anyways, so before using this metallic shiner dip, you have to shake it well, like the way I'm showing you here, or even you can do it more vigorously than whatever I'm showing you here, the process. Oh, sorry guys, I'm speaking a lot, but it's okay guys. It's a new year, please forgive me for all those my blah blah blahs. Okay, so once you open the bottle, it's time to pour the liquid shiner dip into the container. So this is how you have to do, guys, and this is a super easy process, guys. You can do it very easily without any help. Okay, so this is how you have to do it just quickly. And wow guys, trust me, it is looking amazingly beautiful. It is a beautiful shine in it. And now the process of how to create beautiful metallic effect onto your candle. So this is how you have to do, guys, and it is a very super easy and a beautiful process. Now guys, here a very beautiful question: how many times you have to dip your candle into the metallic shiner dip? So it is completely up to you. If you want to dip it for one or two times, then it will give a softer look onto your candle. But if you want a dense metallic look onto your candle, then you have to dip it more than four times, or sometimes 4 to 5 times. And guys, have a look at the metallic shiner dip. Isn't it looking beautiful, guys? Oh my god, the swirls are so beautiful, and the result is evenly beautiful, guys. So now, after completing all this process, allow your candle to rest for at least about 10 hours. Do not make haste, guys. Allow them to rest. Now this is how your candle is looking once they will get ready. Isn't it beautiful? So if you like the video, please don't forget to click the like button. Bye bye.